Tired of the same old tourist traps? Fancy discovering a side of Italy that doesn't come with a crowd of selfie sticks? Right then, let's escape the chaos of Rome and head into the heart of Lazio. Trust me, there's more here than just the Vatican and overpriced gelato. First up, Ostia Antica. Imagine walking through ancient Roman streets, but without the queues and the gladiator impersonators demanding a fiver for a photo. This place was once Rome's bustling port, and now it's a sprawling set of ruins. Think Pompeii, but with more shade and fewer people blocking your view. Next we're off to Viterbo. Picture narrow medieval lanes, thermal springs and a cathedral that looks like it's straight out of a Dan Brown novel. The town's volcanic backdrop is almost as dramatic as my aunt at a family wedding. And then there's Cerveteri Etruscan Necropolis, UNESCO World Heritage Site and the only place I've seen tombs that look comfier than my own flat. Wander the ancient burial grounds and you might just feel the ghosts of history whispering. Or that could be the wind. So, how do you actually get around? Public transport in Lazio is surprisingly decent. Trains, buses, even the odd rental scooter if you're feeling brave. For accommodation, skip the big chains, try a local B&B for a proper slice of Italian life. If you're after an itinerary, mix up the ruins with a spot of countryside and top it off with some local wine, because let's face it, you've earned it. Ready to ditch the crowds and discover the real Lazio? Go on, give it a go. The eternal city will still be there when you get back.